First you lead me straight to the doorstep of my oldest friend.
Right you are.
And then you deliver yourself.
Right you are.
If I'd known you were going to come straight up to my office, I wouldn't have bothered hunting you in the first place.
Let's see. The massless field flux should self-limit, and I've clamped the manifold parameters to CY base and LG orbifold, Hilbert inclusive. Conditions could hardly be more ideal. What? Oh dear.
Eli.
Now, there's nothing to be nervous about. You must get out of here! Run! Ah!